Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And first of all, before starting the video, I would like to thank all the students and parents, those who continuously motivate me to make the videos specifically for their requirements. Okay. In this continuation, here are some questions based for the examination purpose, and it is not restricted to one grade, it can be in any grade. Okay, because these are the basic questions related with numerical and algebraic expressions. So this video is a little longer, so I'll not waste your time. Okay, let's start the questions. While doing the questions, I'll try to discuss the concepts also, though I have made the separate video for this. Okay, for example, we want to write each product as exponent. Okay, what I told you, exponent means power. Okay, so just write it as power. So what you can do here, you see 3, then we can see another number 2, 3 also, and we can see 4 somewhere, we can see 5 also. Just count the frequency. How many times 2 you can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 2 to the power 4. How many times do we see 3 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6. How many times do we see 4? 1, 2, 3. So 4 to the power 3. And how many times we see 5? Just only one time. So this is the answer. Okay. Next part is maybe same type of question but with the decimal point. So it is 0.12. How many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then 0.15 to the power 1, because it is only just for one time. Okay. Then another one, this. Okay. So what you can see here, 2 and then 1 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this can we write like this? 1 over 3 to the power 5. Is it the correct answer? What did you say? Did I hear yes? No, this is certainly the wrong answer. Why? Because this 1 upon 3 is not the separate. It is written with 2. So this is just one number. 2 whole 1 over 3 means this is a mixed fraction. So 1 over 3 will be counted only 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So this number will be written separate like this. Not like this, sorry. It is like this. And then 1 over 3 to the power 4. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now, next question is evaluate each power. So, 2 to the power 7 means, I told you power means the repeated multiplication. So, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, how many times? 7 times. So, this is 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. Multiply them, just an easy multiplication. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 2, 64. And 64 times 2, 128. So this is the answer. Okay. Next is 2 over 3 to the power 4. Now you can see here it is a fraction. And what I told you in the fraction, this whole power will go with the power of numerator as well as with the power of denominator. So it will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 4 times. Same for the 3 also. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 2 to the power 4 means 16 and 3 multiply 4 times yani 81. Next is 0.1 to the power 5. Why I have taken this example? Because I want you to understand about the decimal calculations. Okay. Now you see, first you take it as 1 only. Just ignore that decimal point. I think I told you this in another video for multiplication of the decimal numbers. So just take it as 1. So 1 to the power 5 means, I told you that 1 raised to the power any number is 1. So its answer will be no doubt 1. But what to do with the decimal point? Now you see here 0.1 multiply 0.1 multiply 0.1 multiply 0.1 multiply 0.1. How many times? 5 times. So what you will do here? One decimal point, one decimal point. So everywhere you have one decimal point. And in multiplication, I told you that decimal points will be added. Means decimal places will be added. So how many decimal place we want? 5 decimal places, but we have only one number. So before that you write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And now count. One decimal place, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So decimal point will be here. Okay, so this will be the answer. 0.00. How many zeros? 4 zeros and then 1, because we want 5 decimal points. Okay, now this is find the difference of 19 to the power 3 minus 13 to the power 3. Now let's try to understand this. What do you mean by difference? What I told you, did you say minus? Yes, you are right, minus. So basically we want to find 19 to the power 3 minus 13 to the power 3. So it means 19 multiply 19 multiply 19 minus 13 multiply 13 multiply 13. So multiply this. So if you remember the square of 19, it's very good. If you don't remember, no problem. You can multiply 9 and 9, 81, 8 carried forward, 9 1 8, 9 ones are 9, and 1 and 9 and 8, 17. Leave one ones place down. So 1 multiply 9, 9, 1 multiply 1, so 1, make them plus. So 7 and 9, 16, and 1 1 2 1, 3. Okay, then again multiply by 9, because we have to multiply 3 times. So this is again, I'll write down so that we can multiply it easily. Okay, multiply this. So 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54, 4 here, 5 there, up. 9 threes are 27 and 5, 32. Leave one place for one's place. Then 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 6, 6, 1 times 3, 3. So this is 9, 5, 8, 6. Okay, this is because of plus. So here it is 6, 8, 5, 9, and then minus. Okay, now we will find square of 13 or power 3 of 13. So first 13 multiply 13, in the same way you can multiply this and you will get 169. And again 169 multiply by 13, it will be 9 times 3, 27, 2 go up, carried forward, 3 times 6, 18, 18 and 2, 20, 2 go up, 3 ones are 3 and 2, 5. Leave one place here, 1 times 9, 9, 1 times 6, 6, 1 times 1, 1. So 7, 9, 11, 2. So this is 2, 9, 2197. Now subtract it. So 9 minus 7, 2. 15 cannot subtract it. 5 cannot be subtracted. 9 cannot be subtracted from 5. So 15. 15 minus 9, 6. It will become 7. 7 minus 1, 6. And 6 minus 2, 4. This will be the answer. Okay. Now another question is, Muhammad is studying the growth rate of a specific type of organism called ciliate. He places 2 cells in a dish and records the number of cells over the time. The table shows her results. If the pattern continues, how many cells will be in the dish after 12 hours? Okay, now students, word problems, you will have to be very careful with the sentence. Okay, just read the question carefully. So you see here, number of hours are increasing by 2. Every time you make it plus 2, you will get the another number. Yes. So, and here it is multiplication is increasing by just 1 time. Here it is 2 times. Here it is 3 times written 2. Then 4 times. Then 5 times. So when you will make plus 2 here, you will get 10. So it will be 2 to the power 6 means 6 times. And when you will get for 12 means plus 2 again. So it will be 2 to the power 7 times. So what will be the answer? 2 to the power 7, or it will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. So what will be the answer? 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32, then 64 and then 128. Okay. Now evaluate the expression. Let's see. Evaluate means this is the numerical expression. So what rule we are going to follow here? Yes, BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS or BODMAS rule will help us to solve this question. So what comes there first? If you remember, I'm telling you by BODMAS. Okay. You can do PEMDAS also, no problem. BODMAS. So B means bracket. So first we'll do the inside the bracket. We'll calculate it. So 67 plus 45. See, this thing is written outside because it is not related with multiplication or division. So you can perform this calculation here also. So 67 plus 45. Here it is 7 and 5. 12. 6, 4, 10 and 1. 11. Minus 42 multiply 45 multiply 2. It becomes 90 plus it becomes 9 multiply 8 divided by 4 because D comes after B and O. So there is no O. O means power. So 8 divided by 2, 4 plus 7. It will be 112 minus 90. So it will be 2 and 2 plus 9 times 4, 36 and then plus 7. It is 6 times 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 7 and it will be 65 will be the answer. Okay. Now another question is 4 plus, you see, first we'll calculate the bracket. 36 means 6 square, 6 multiply 6 plus 1 times 1 over 4 times 3. So this is 4 plus, now what I told you for this, you just make it as a fraction over 1 and then cross multiply to take the LCM. So this is 36 multiply 4 plus 1 multiply 1 over 1 multiply 4 times 3. So this is 4 plus 36 multiply 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12 and 2, 14 plus 1 over 4 times 3. Again you will take the LCM. So it will be 4 multiply 4 because it will be fraction 1 plus 145 multiply by 3 over 4. Okay. Now just calculate this to get the answer. Means it will be, this is 16 plus 3 times 5, 15, 3 times 4, 12 and 1, 13, 3 times 1, 3 and 1, 4 over 4. So just simplify this, but don't forget to write the answer in the mixed fraction because numerator will be bigger than the denominator. Okay. Now next is this question. Abdullah and two friends are at the game center. Okay. Abdullah and two friends. So how many total persons? 3 persons are there. Okay. Are at a game center. Each person buys a hot dog for 3 dirham, fries for 2.49 dirham and a drink for 2.50 dirham. They also have a coupon for AED 1 off. Off means discount. Each drink. Write an expression to represent the total cost, then find the cost. Okay. So see, how many total friends are there? 3. And they are buying fries, hot dog. Hot dog means 1 hot dog, 3. Total how many friends? 3 plus then fries. Fries is for 2.49 and how many friends? 3. Then plus drink 2.50. So 2.50 for the drink, but there is a discount for AED1 of each on the drink. Okay. So minus 1 and then it comes multiply by 3 because there are 3 friends. So simply just calculate this and you will get the answer. So this is 3 multiply 3 is 9 plus 2.49 times 3, 3 times 9, 27, 2 carried forward, 3 4s are 12 and 2, 14, 1 forward, 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7 plus 1.50 times 3. Okay. So this is 16.47 plus 4.50. This is just calculate it, 16 and 4, 20.97. This is the answer, dirham. Okay. Now it is just a calculation, so I did it a little faster. Otherwise also I have a lot of questions to discuss with you. Okay. This is just one topic, numerical and algebraic expression. Okay. Now another question. A bakery sells boxes of muffins in the sizes shown in the table. On Monday, the bakery sold 15 minis, 8 dozens and 6 jumbos. Just make sure that you read these numbers correctly, okay? However, 6 of minis sold were free with a coupon. Okay, it means there were 6 minis. They are free of cost. We will not consider them. How many total muffins were paid on Monday? So you see here, minis, dozens, and jumbos. Okay, now say they say 15 minis, then 6 jumbos, and sorry, 8 dozens and 6 jumbos. Okay, number of muffins in each box is 6. So 15 times 6, it should be 90. Then, but here they say 6 are free. So it's better that you subtract here only, okay? Because then there will be again lengthy question. So 15 minus 6, it becomes 9, and 9 multiplied by 6 is 54. Okay. Now 8 dozens, 8 dozen, and in 1 dozen 12. So 8 multiplied 12 is 96, and then 24 jumbos, it means multiply by 24, so it is 144, I guess. Now, just they say how many total muffins were paid. Students, remember this to see here carefully. They are asking to paid. Okay. So paid means you will subtract this free muffins. But if they ask the question how many muffins were delivered, then you will count those muffins also which are free. Then you will not subtract 6 from here. Okay. Now, just make them plus all the numbers. So this is 5, 4 and 6, 10, 10, 4, 14, 1 carried, 6, 6, 9, 15, 15, 4, 19, 1 carried, 1, 1 and 1, 294 muffins. Okay. Now, identify the terms, like terms, coefficients and constant terms in each of the following expression. So term means what I told you for this term. Whenever you count plus or minus, then that will be the one term. So it means this is term 1, term 2, term 3 and term 4. Same here, term 1, term 2, term 3 and term 4. Now for this like terms means what I told you for this. Do you remember that? For like terms I told you variable should be same and power also should be same. So you see 4y and 9y, they have the same variable and same power. So they are like terms. Here like terms are, yes, did you say Z, 4Z and 2Z? This is correct. Z, 4Z and 2Z because they have the same variable. Now, coefficient. What about coefficient? I told you. Coefficient means the value which is multiplied with the variable. So, what value is multiplied with the variable here you see? In the first equation, coefficients are 4 and one more is there, 4, 9 and minus 8 are the coefficients because minus 8 is also multiplied by the z and z is taken as a variable. And what are the coefficients here? Here is coefficient. See, first is z. So if no number is written with z, what you will take? Did you say 1? Yes. So 1, 4 and 2 are the coefficient. Now what they say next? Next is they say constant terms. Constant term means without variable. So what is the constant term here? 7. And what is the constant term here? It is 9. Okay. Hope this question is clear to this. Very easy question for you. So again, like terms means the variable should be same and power also should be same. Okay. Now next is, for each of the following verbal phrases, define a variable to represent the unknown quantity, then write the phrases as an algebraic expression. Now, this I think these types of question will be very easy for you if you can read the question carefully. Okay, define a variable. So we have to choose the variable ourselves. They are not writing the variable in the question. So 12 fewer questions than were on the first test. Fewer. What sign do we use for fewer? Minus. Okay. So first test. So for question we are taking variable q. 12 fewer, yani q minus 12. Okay. This will be the algebraic expression. Students, you can take any variable here because here variable is not given to us. So I have taken q, you can take in any letter. You can take any letter, okay? Now, another one is 2 and a 1/2 times 2 and 1/2 times. It means 2 and 1/2. The number of minutes spent exercise, you see, times. What calculation we use for times? Multiplication and exercising. So I am taking it as variable e. Okay, again I am telling you, you can take any letter, it's not a big deal. Okay, now another thing is 4 less than 7 times Hilal's age. 4 less than. So what I told you, after than it comes before. After than it comes before. Okay, so here it comes, you see, 7 times Hilal's age less than 4. You see, 4 less. So 4 will go last and after then it will become first. So 7h minus 4 will be the answer. Okay. Now another thing is 50 dirham more than 1/4 of the cost of the pizza. 50 dirham more than. So more means plus, than means after than. Whatever you have after than, it will come first. So 1/4 of cost of pizza and then 50 more than. Okay, so this will be the answer for this. Next, 1/3 the number of yards. 1/3. 1/3 means 1 over 3 of yard. Of means multiply. Yard I am taking variable as y. Okay. So its answer will be 1 over 3y, or simply you can write y over 3 also. Both the things are same. Okay. Now next question is, a plumber charges AED 50 dirham to visit a house. This is the extra charge. Means if he is coming, he will charge 50 dirham, and then plus AED 40 for every hour. For 1 hour he is charging 40 dirham, and then plus 50 dirham as fixed charge. Define a variable to represent the unknown quantity, then write an expression to represent the total cost of hiring a plumber. So total cost, you can take it as a y also, is equal to, see, 40 hours for 40 dirham for 1 hour. Okay, so I am taking hour as x. So 40 for x hours, it will be 40 times x, means 40x, and plus 50 dirham extra. So y equal to 40x plus 50. Students, can you tell me here dependent variable? What will be the dependent variable here? Y. And what will be the independent variable? Independent variable will be x. Okay. Now, a rectangle has a length that is half of its width. Now, see, if I take length, this as a length that is half of its width. So I'll have to take this as a width. So here I am taking as x. Okay. Now half of its width is the length. So this I'll take it as x by 2. Define a variable to represent the unknown quantity. So I have taken x. Then write an expression to represent the perimeter. What I told you for the perimeter? Perimeter means outline. Outline means what we can see from the outside. So you see this x, so this will also be x, this also will be x by 2. Okay. Now what will be the perimeter? X plus x plus x over 2 plus x over 2. Let's make it simplify. X plus x means 2x plus half plus half. It means 1x, means x only. So what will be the answer? 3x. Okay. Now remember here one thing, students. Perimeter means the outline. Whatever outline you can see, means if it is a triangle, so A, B, C is the triangle. So its perimeter will be A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Now next is, oh, I'll see, the question is of triangle now. A triangle, in a triangle there are two sides. So let's make a triangle. Students, please practice by solving with the figure, okay? If you can make the picture, question will be very easy for you. There are two sides that have the same length. So same length I am taking this x and this as x, same length, okay? Now, and the third side is 1.5. Let's take it as 1.5 times means multiply longer than the length of other two, so times x. Define a variable to represent, so we have taken variable x to represent the unknown quantity, then write an algebraic expression to represent the perimeter again. So it will be x plus 1.5x. Now what I told you, if there is no coefficient with x or any variable, then what coefficient you will take? 1. So 1x plus 1x plus 1.5x, it will be 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1.5, 3.5x. This will be the answer. Okay. Now, evaluate each of the following expression where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 upon 4 and c is equal to minus 1.2. So what I told you for this, it is just put the values of a, b and c. So you will get here 8 multiply 2 plus 16 multiply 3 over 4 plus value of c is minus 1.2. Now 8 multiply 2, 16 plus, now you can see here we are dealing with fraction. So 16 is up and 4 is down. We can divide them. So 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 4, 16. And 4 multiply 3 is 12. And then positive multiply negative. What did you say? Positive? No, this is negative 1.2. So this is 16 plus 12, 28 minus 1.2. Now students, you see here we are dealing with subtraction and one number is without decimal, another number is with decimal. So what you do? You just write it up and down so that you can do it correctly. Okay. Now 1.2. What we'll do? If there is no decimal point in a number, so put decimal up to the decimal, and for this number to cover it, write 0. Now subtract it. So 0 minus 2, not possible. Take 1 from here, it becomes 7, it becomes 10. And 10 minus 2, 8. 0.7 minus 1, 6, and then 2. 26.8 will be the answer. Now another one is 2a square minus b times 4c. So this is 2 multiply a square means 2 square minus b is 3 over 4 times 4c means minus 1.2. This is 2 power 2 yani 4. 4 multiply 2, 8 minus 3 over 4 times, now 4 times 1.2. So it will be negative 4.8. This is why I have written here negative, because positive multiplied by negative will be negative. Okay. Now here we are dealing in the bracket with the fraction and without fraction. So just to make them same, write here 1. Okay. Now cross multiply 8 multiply 4 times 3 multiply 1 over 4 multiply 1 times negative 4.8. So this is 8 times 4, 32 minus 3 over 4 times negative 4.8. You can see 4 will divide. I think it will not divide, or it will divide. Yeah, it will divide. So it will be 1.2. Okay, negative 1.2, and 32 minus 3 means 29 multiply negative 1.2. Just calculate this and you will get the answer. Okay. Now next is the expression can be used to find the area of the trapezoid. I think I forgot to write the expression here for area of the trapezoid. No problem. Let's see. Area of the trapezoid. What is the formula? Formula is 1 over 2 times sum of, sum means plus of parallel sides and times height. Okay. This is the formula for area of trapezoid. Sometimes somewhere it is also say trapezium also. So 1.2 multiply sum of the parallel sides. You see, they are writing B and C are the parallel sides. What do you mean by parallel side? Just to remove for you, parallel side means the line which do not cut each other. Okay, the line which do not meet each other are called parallel line. So B plus C times what is height? Height is A. It is written here A is the height. Now just put the values. A is 5.5, B is 5, C is 7.2. So this is half times 5 plus 7.2 times 5.5. This is 1 over 2 times 5 plus 7.2. It is 12.2 multiply 5.5. Now you can see we cannot divide 5.5 by 2, but we can easily divide 12.2 by 2. So it will be 6.1. So what will be your answer? 6.1 multiply by 5.5 multiply and you will get the answer. Okay. Now next is the perimeter of a rectangle can be found using the expression 2a plus 2b where a is the length and b is the width. Okay. So perimeter of the rectangle P I am taking as a variable 2a plus 2b. Now just plug in the values of a and b. So a is 6.2, b is 3.5. So 2 multiply 3.5. This is just calculation only now. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 6, 12 plus 2 times 3.5 is 7. So 12.4 plus 7 is 19.4. Okay. Now next is Mansoor is comparing the price to print the shirt for summer camp at two companies. Company A charges initial fees of 50. Initial means this is extra. And then 12 dirham per shirt means for 1 dirham it is just for 12 dirham for one shirt. Okay. So this is for company A. So what they are charging? They are charging 50 dirham extra, yani initial fees plus 12 dirham for one shirt. So I am taking number of shirt as X. Okay. And here company B is charging what? Then where is company B? Yes, here it is. Company B charges initial fees of 10 dirham. So 10 here plus 15 dirham per shirt. So 15 multiplied by X, where X is the number of shirts. Okay. Again, I am telling you, whenever you see per, every, or you say each, it all means one. Okay. So for one shirt, company B is charging 15 dirham. So for X shirts, how much money they will charge? 15 times X. Okay. Now what they are asking? They are asking write an expression for the total cost that will be charged by the companies. Find the total cost for each company when Mansoor has to print 40 shirts. So 40 is the value of X. Okay. So just plug in the value here. 50 plus 12 multiply 40. Here also 10 plus 15 times 40. So this is 50 plus 12 multiply 40. It is 480. And here 10 plus 15 times 40 is 600. And then 480 plus 50, it will be 530. And then 600 plus 10 is 610. So who is giving you the best deal? Company A. Okay, Mansoor. So take care. Don't go to company B. They are charging more. Okay. So cancel it. Now another question. Find the greatest common factor of the following numbers. Greatest common factor means GCF or HCF, highest common factor. Okay. Now I'll tell you by the prime factorization, or you can make the tree also like this, the factor tree. Okay. If you remember 12, we can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 because 2 multiply 2 is 4, and 4 multiply 3 is 12. Now 46 can be written as 2 multiply 23. We cannot break 23 because 23 is a prime number. Now what I told you for HCF or GCF? I told you the number which is common in both the lines. So here you can see only 2 is common. So HCF will be 2. Next, 20, 35 and 100. Here I have taken three numbers. So 20 is equal to 2 multiply 5, because 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 5 is 20. And what is 35? 35 will be 5 multiply 7, and 100 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5, because 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 5, 20, 20 multiply by 5, 100. So HCF or GCF will be, you see, 2 is here also, but not in the second line. So 2 will not be the part of HCF. Now 5 is here, 5 here, and 5 here also. So 5 you will write down. Okay. So its HCF is 5. Students, do you remember I told you if there is nothing common, nothing is common in any line, then what will be the HCF? Yes. Did you say 1? Yes, this is the correct answer. Now, next question is on every fourth visit. Now, this type of question, students, you will have to be very careful, okay? This type of question can be in the bonus or, challenging questions. On every fourth visit, yani 4, then 8, then 12, then 16, like this, okay? On every fourth visit to the shop, I'm sorry for all these things, okay, because I'm just speaking little in hurry. So because I have to deal with so many questions, okay, I'm sorry for that. On every fourth visit to the shop, Ali receives a discount of 5 dirham, okay, on every fourth visit. So when he go fourth time, then he will get a discount of 5 dirham. When he will go eighth time, again he will get a discount of 5 dirham. 12th time, again he will get a discount of 5 dirham, like this, okay. On every 10th visit, he receives a free gift. 10th visit means 10, 20, 30, like this. Okay. So he receives a free gift. So what's the relation here you see? On every fourth visit, he is getting dirham 5 discount. And on every 10th visit, he is receiving a free gift. Question is, after how many visits will Ali receive the discount and a free gift at the same time? Now, question is, you will find here HCF or here you will find LCM. What you will find here? Did you say HCF? No. Why? Because you see, it's a common thing here to understand that if you want to get both the things, means 5 dirham discount and a free gift, then what you will have to do? You will have to visit more. Of course, you will have to visit for more number of times than 4. Okay, because for 4 you will get only free that discount of 5 dirham. So if you want to do it more, then what you do? You take LCM. So what here we are going to do? We are finding LCM of 4 and 10. So let's do it. 4 is equal to 2 multiply 2, or you can do like with the table. I think it will be easy for you. 4, 10, just divide it. You can divide it by 2. So 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 2 times 5, 10. Again, we can divide it by 2. So 2 times 1, 2, or 5 divided by 2, not possible. So 5 write same to same here. 1 already down, and 5 divided by 5 is also 1. So what will be LCM? LCM will be multiply all these numbers, okay? So 2 multiply 5 means 20. So when you will have 20th visit, then you will receive a free gift as well as a discount of 5 dirham both. Okay. Now, find the least common multiple of the following numbers. So just again, just now I told you how to find that LCM. Again, let's practice some questions. 42 and 56. Here we can divide it by 2. So 42 divided by 2, 21. 56 divided by 2, 28. Students, just make sure that you are doing the calculations correctly, okay? So again divide by 2. So this is 21, this is 14. Then divide by 2 again, 21 not possible, so write same to same. 14 divided by 2, 7. Now we can divide 3 by 21. So this is 7, and here also 7, because 7 cannot be divided by 3. Here it is 7, so 1 here and 1 here. So what will be the LCM? Multiply all these numbers. So it will be Here I am writing 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. It means 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 2, 8, 8 multiply 3, 24, 24 multiply 3 means 72. This is the answer. Okay. Now next is 100 and 500. Okay. Now don't be scared with the big numbers. Okay. You can do it easily. So 100 and 500. This is, we can divide it by 2. So 50 and then 250. Again divide by 2. So 25 and then 250 divide by 2 means 125. Now it will be divisible by 5. So 5 times 5, 25, and here 25. 5 here again. So 5 divided by 5, 1. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 5 again. Here 1 comes same to same. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So multiply all these numbers together. So its LCM will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. It is 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply by 5, 20, 20 multiply by 5, 100, 100 multiply by 5 is 500. Okay. Next is, Mohanad has the flowers shown in the table. He wants to put all the flowers into decorative vases. Each vase must have the same number of flowers in it. Same number of flowers in it. Without mixing the flowers, what is the greatest number of flowers that Mohanad can put in the vase? Now again, this is the question of LCM or GCF. Okay, what they are asking here? He wants to put all flowers into decorative vases. They are not asking that how many vases do we need. Okay, each vase must have the same number of flowers. Okay, so if they want number of vases, then you will find LCM. But here they are asking, without mixing the flower, what is the greatest number of flowers Mohanad can put in each vase? So here you will find HCF. Okay, so just find HCF of 20 and 25. So it will be 20 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 5, and 25 is equal to 5 multiply 5. So what will be HCF here? You see 5 is the common number. So here 5. Okay. So he will put 5 flowers in each vase. Okay. To make the number of flowers equal. Now another question with the table. A teacher needs to purchase notebooks and pencils for her students. Notebooks come in package of 6 and pencils in the package of 10. Means in one packet there are 6 notebooks and in one packet of pencil there are 10 pencils. The table shows the cost of the items. What is the least amount of money the teacher can spend and have the same number of notebooks and pencils? Okay. So here what we are going to do? Here we are going to find their LCM. Okay. So 6 packages and pencil in 10 packages. So what we can do here? Find LCM of 6 and 10. So this is 6 is equal to 2 multiply 3 and 10 is equal to 2 multiply 5. So how you write LCM? You just take maximum number of occurrence. Okay. So here 2 one time, here also 2 one time. So just take it one time only. 3 one time here but not here. So take 3 one time. 5 here but not here. So take 5 one time only. So 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 5, 30. Okay. So 30, what he can do? 30 packages. So just multiply with the cost. Okay. Or are they asking the cost? No. What is the least amount of money? Yes. So you can find the cost with the table. Just multiply the values and then get the answer. Now use the distributive property. Distributive property. And if you remember, I told you for this, A times B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. So here it will become 3 times A plus 3 times 7. So what answer you will get here? 3A plus 21. Now next is 13 times 42. Here we have to write the expression as the distributive property. Okay. So this is, you can break 42 as 40 plus 2 so that you can multiply it easily. Now 13 multiply 40 plus 13 multiply 2. So this is 13 multiply 40 is 520, and then 13 multiply 2 is 26. So this is 526 plus 26, 546. Okay. Now next is use GCF to factor each expression. How you will factor it? The expression, let's see what I told you for this. You will take GCF out. Okay. So if possible, take the GCF, or you just write in the terms of prime factors. Okay, it will be easy for you. So 16 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 only. 16, it becomes 16 now, plus 48, it becomes 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and then multiply 3. So this is, you see, these two here same to same right here. Another 2 also common right here. Another 2 also common right here. Another 2 also you see common here. So right here. Now put the bracket here. Here everything is finished. Yes. So right here 1 plus, here everything is finished, but we have 3 also, 3 left. So write 3 here. Now 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 2, 8, 8 multiply 2, 16 times 1 plus 3. And if they ask to calculate it, so for calculation you just multiply 4 and its answer will be 64. Students, make sure that if it is a free response question and they say use GCF to factor, not the calculate, so this is not the answer. Okay, leave it. So 16 times 1 plus 3 will be the final answer. If they say evaluate, then after that you will continue like I did. Okay. Now another question, 24 plus 6y. So you can see here 24 can be written as 6 multiply 4. This is a small number, so I am writing it directly, and 6y. Now you can see 6 here and 6 here, same to same, so take 6 common. Here it is 4 left, so 4 come down. Here it is y left, so y come down. This is your answer. Okay. Now one thing I am telling you, this type of expression is called factored form. What we say? Factored form. And this type of expression is called expanded form. What we say? Expanded form. Okay. Now next is 5 friends each bought. How many persons are there? 5. Each bought a shirt and a pair of shoes. The table shows the cost of the items. The expression 5 times a plus 24. You see, they have already written the expression 5 times a plus 24 shows the total amount of money they spent. Expand the expression using the distributive property. So simple, apply the distributive property here. 5 multiply a plus 5 multiply 24. So 5 multiply a means 5a, 5 multiply 24 means 120. Okay, this will be the answer. Now next is Zayed is making 4 batches of chocolate chip cookies. Each batch of 4 cookies need 2 whole 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. Now you will have to be very, very careful with everything. What we are going to do? We are going 4 batches. We are going to make 4 batches. And one batch contain 4 cookies. See, each batch of 4 cookies. So 4 batches will have 4 multiply 4 cookies. And each batch needs 2 whole 3/4. Each batch of 4 cookies need this much cup. Okay. So this is for one batch. So for 4 batch, it will be multiplied by 4. Okay. Now, if he has 96 ounces of chocolate chips, so here simply we have to multiply. So convert it into the improper fraction. 2 multiply 4 plus 3/4. So this is 4, this up and down cancel. 2 multiply 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. Now, see, Are we doing it correctly? Let's check it again. Zaid is making 4 batches of chocolate chips cookies. He has to make 4 batches, okay? Each batch of 4 cookies needs this much cup of chocolate chips. Okay, I think we are doing correctly because they say each batch. So one batch need this much cup. So how many 4 batches? So just multiply it, okay? But if they say one cookie, each cookie needs 2 and a 3 over 4 cups of chocolate chip, then you will multiply by 4 also, okay? Now, so this is 11. So they say if he has 96 ounces of chocolate chips, how many ounces will be left over? So left over ounces will be 96 minus 11, it means 85. Okay? Now, use any method to check whether the following pair of expressions are equivalent or not. Equivalent means if you get the same answer, same expression as the answer, then it will be called equivalent. Okay, so just simplify this. This is a plus 10 plus a plus 9. All numbers are in plus, so no need to take care of extra care of the bracket. Here you will have to be very careful because it is bracket and multiply. So just apply the distributive property here for this. 2 multiply a plus 2 multiply 7 plus 5 separate. Here it is. Now a plus a like terms, so it is 2a plus 10 plus 9, it is 19. Here 2a plus 2 multiply 7, 14 plus 5, and 14 plus 5 is 19. So see, we are getting the same answer. So if you get the same answer, it means expressions are equivalent. Okay, it means expressions are equivalent. Now, another question is simplify each of the following expressions. So again, just now I told you for such questions you will write the like terms together and then calculate them. So 3a plus 5a plus 4 minus 1 means 3a plus 5a is 8a, 4 minus 1, 3. This is the answer. Next is, now this may be little challenging question for you. Now like terms are with y square, y square. I told you variable and power both should be same, only then it will be the like term. So half y square plus half y square plus y plus 2y because they are the like terms and plus half. Now you see half y square plus half y square, it means it will be 1 y square, half plus half 1, y plus 2y means 3y plus half. So this is y square plus 2y plus half will be the answer. Okay. Another question is simplify 3 over 4 plus, now you see this expression no doubt little big and confusing because we have fraction, we have brackets, everything we have. Okay, so just let's simplify this. 3 over 4 plus, now this 2 over 3 multiply inside with the distributive property. So 2 over 3 times 9x plus 2 over 3 times 6 plus 4x plus 3 whole 1 over 4. You will make it into the improper fraction. So how? 3 multiply 4 plus 1 over 4. Now this is 3 over 4 plus 9 is up and 3 is down. You can divide it. So 3 multiply 2, 6x plus 6 is up, 3 is down, cancel it. 2 multiply 2, 4 plus 4x plus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 over 4. Now this is 6x plus 4x, it is 10x because they are like terms, plus 3 over 4 plus 13 over 4 plus 4. Now what we can do here, just we can add numerator because denominator is same. So 13 plus 3, 16, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So this is 10x plus 4 plus 4, and 4 plus 4 will be 8. So its answer will be 10x plus 8. Okay. Now another one is Saeed is buying baseball cards for his brother in college. The price of a card is based on its condition. The table shows the total cost of X number of cards for each condition. Okay, means if it is in good poor condition, price is X. Fair condition, price is 1.75x. Good condition, excellent condition, like new. Okay, so price is given here, where x is the number of cards. Now, he buys 6 that are in fair condition. So, 6 multiplied by 1.75 plus 5 that are in good condition. So, good condition means 9.5 plus 2 that are in excellent condition. Excellent means 20.5 and excellent only. There is no new card. So, the shipping cost for the baseball card is AED4. So, shipping cost means additional 4. Write the expression that represents the total cost of buying and shipping the baseball card. So, this is the expression. For this question, students, this will be the answer. But if they want that find the total cost also, so just calculate, no doubt, then that in that case question will be little bigger. Okay. Now, I am sure you have understood the questions. Please see the video completely, and if you have any problem in any question, you can see that video again. But still, if confusion is there, you can write in the comment. Okay, I'll try to explain that question once again. Okay, hope everybody had understood this lesson. Now maybe soon I will be with you with another chapter. Okay, that will be the one step equation. Thank you everyone.